Hello friends, welcome to our channel. Today we will continue to learn basic vocabulary to speak Kashmiri. Remember, all you have to do is to repeat after me. In the slides that you see, the red letters are the Kashmiri words. Let's get started. Manun, manun, accept. Inkar karun, inkar karun, to reject. Hyon, hyon, to purchase. Kunun, kunun, to sell. Paensi, paensi, money. Keetis, keetis, how much? Ye, ye, this. Who, that. Pattiukanni, pattiukanni, backward. Broanthikanni, broanthikanni, forward. Please remember, patta is back, broantha is forward. However, when you are trying to show the direction of some item that you want to purchase, you use the words pattiukanni and broanthikanni depending upon if it is in the front or at the back. Now, assuming that you remember all the names of the items that you want to purchase in Kashmiri, a very important sentence is megots ak, megots ak, which means I need a, and then you have to use the word which you want to purchase. For example, if you want to buy a mobile phone, you go to the mobile shop and you will say, I need a mobile phone in Kashmiri, which is megots ak mobile, megots ak mobile. And in the same way, use any other item that you want to buy and make that sentence. Ticket, ticket, ticket. Taxi, taxi. Auto, auto. Bijli bulb, bijli bulb. Light bulb. Paanich botal, paanich botal. Water bottle. Some people also say abuch botal because both poon and ab are synonyms for water in Kashmiri. Sandwich, sandwich. Tsot, tsot. Bread. Chai piyali, chai piyali. Cup of tea. Please remember that in today's spoken Kashmiri, there are a lot of borrowed words which do not change from English. For example, when you say chai pyala, you could have also said chai cup. So the person will definitely understand that you need a cup of tea. In the same way, when you have to buy, let's say, bread, instead of tsot, you could say bread also, and most probably the person will understand if you are at a Kiryana store. But if you are at the baker's shop, which is Kandarwan, then you have to use the word tsot. And then there is kulche, katlam, telvor, burgirkön, so on and so forth. So there are a lot of other words that you should have already learned from the previous lessons. In case you still have not revised all the 19 lessons that we have already released before this one, we would definitely encourage you to go and check all of them because this is the basic vocabulary that you need to survive in Kashmir. That's it in this lesson. See you in the next. Bye bye.